Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Exclude Weekend or Public Holiday from Schedule or Due Dates in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app ensures accurate scheduling by automatically excluding weekends and company-designed public holidays when calculating due dates. It retrieves the confirmation date and applies lead time when skipping non-working days, ensuring realistic deadline for sales, purchase, and project tasks. This helps businesses streamline operation, improve planning accuracy, and avoid delays caused by non-working days. First of all, we will hop on to the sales module, and in here under products, we will go into the products. Here you can see all the products. I'm going to select any one product named 4% desk. Here under inventory tab, you will find a field named customer lead time. Add 4 days as your customer lead time in here. After that, save it. Now, we will go into the configuration, and under that you will find a menu name company holidays. Click on that, and here you can see all the company holidays, and you can also create as you want. Here you can see on 28th there is a holiday for Good Friday. Now, in sales module only, we will create a new quotation. Click on new, add customer. I am adding Deco Addict as my customer, and for product I will be adding 4% desk. Here you can see I have added the product 4% desk. Here you can see the quotation date is of today of 25, and you can see there is an holiday on 28th. And we have added 4 days for our lead time in this product. So you can see if there is an holiday on 28th, your delivery date would be 31st according to the lead days we have added. Now save it and click on confirm. Here, after clicking on confirm, in other info tab, here you can see the other info tab. Here under delivery, in delivery date, you can see that it calculated your weekend and holiday, and after updated the delivery date according to that. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.